Hi there, Parkview Warriors. It's Mrs. Maz. And today I'm going to talk super quickly to you about paraphrasing. And when you get your quoted evidence, it's a matter of deciding whether it's something that packs a punch and needs to be a direct quote, or whether it's something that's really just worth paraphrasing. That's truly the question. Okay, so this is really simple. There's actually a little bit of a system to it that will help you figure this out. So deciding to leave a direct quote or paraphrase, it's just a matter of asking yourself four questions. First of all, do I need to simplify or clarify the author's ideas? Yes or no. Sometimes authors use really big words and too many words that you would lose your reader if you used all those words. So you would need to simplify. That would make it sense for a paraphrase. Sometimes an author gives a lot of ideas that would just be better if you summarize the author's ideas. Okay? So do I need to summarize the author's ideas? Another question, do I need to shorten this author's ideas? A lot of times when an author is saying something, we really only need a little bit of that and not all of it. And so there again, paraphrasing would work. And then lastly, do I need to reorganize this author's ideas? Sometimes the way the author organizes a text is different than how we need the information. So if we need to change it around, then paraphrasing really is better. So yes to any of those four questions means it's time to paraphrase. And a lot of times it makes your writing process so much easier. So to go ahead and do that, there's just 3 steps to actually paraphrasing. The first thing, underline anything that is unclear or too complex in the quote. So a best way to do is just, you've already copy and pasted it into your evidence collector. So just do the cross out or underline things that you just think are too complex for your reader. What words would you use as a writer to help this step? Okay. Then replace the underlined phrases, okay, or eliminate them. And that's really the last step is to check for originality. And you want to make sure that 50% of the sentence is your own words at least, okay? That's the big deal. And it's just really those 3 easy steps. There is another video here that can help you with this from one of the old Parkview librarians. She just has another way of saying it, and hopefully that can help you. And an email too for me or Ms. Rice can also help you out. So good luck again. Now paraphrasing probably will come into play mostly with your drafting stage, but some of you may already be ready for that by the end of this week. So enjoy this video and let us know if you need any help. All right, take care. Bye-bye.